Hello Year 10, 16 mark essay question today, and so we just need to be absolutely clear on what the mark scheme is asking for and explain how to approach it with a clear plan. Now, the good news, firstly, is that we've done one of these before, as you can see from that video when I had much shorter hair, and secondly, we've already been doing a plan for this. And you are going to use that table to structure a question like this, with an initial judgment, the least important factor in one paragraph, a more important factor in a second paragraph, and a most important factor in a third paragraph, leading to a conclusionary judgment. Now the question is, the Nazi-Soviet pact was the main reason for the outbreak of the Second World War. How far do you agree with this statement? Explain your answer. Make sure you copy out the question onto your work. It will make your life a bit easier when referring back to it. And you should remember, I alluded to earlier, that we've already begun planning this question through this table. This table is your plan to help you write your answer to this question. What you saw on the previous slide was a structure or plan. Few things to note. Firstly, you must do a paragraph on the Nazi-Soviet pact. It doesn't have to be what you think is the main reason for the outbreak of the Second World War, but you must do a paragraph on it, okay, because it's in the title. And you've got and if you notice on that Nazi-Soviet pact bit, I've included sentence starters in there to help you. And then you need to come up with two paragraphs. You don't have to cover all four of these factors, but you need the Nazi-Soviet pact plus two others, so drop the one that you're perhaps least confident on, and use what you filled out in this table to help you structure another two paragraphs on top of the Nazi-Soviet pact one, in explaining how these helped contribute to the Second World War and whether you think they were the main reason for the war beginning. One thing that is really clear when looking at the mark scheme is that to get a top level answer, you must have a sustained judgment. Hence the need for that first paragraph about coming up with an initial judgment. All right, so best of luck. Contact me if you need any help or any support. I'm really looking forward to our live lesson on Friday. I know it won't quite substitute for the real classroom, but hopefully it will at least replicate things a little bit more, and if nothing else, give you guys a chance to have a bit of interactivity. All right. Otherwise, get these answers into me. Please send them via email on Microsoft Word, ideally if you can. Although if you have written it out and taken a picture, that's fine. It will just be a slightly different way of giving feedback. And yeah, good luck.